Today I'm going to show you how to make a photo flipbook and personalize it using the Brother P-touch Embellish. To get started, we're going to use our P-touch Embellish to print a ribbon that's actually going to hold together our photo card. So I'm going to use a pattern. I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to use our silver lace tape to do a personalized message on the front of the card. For the message, I want to make this from my daughter to our friends and family. So I'm going to write Happy Holidays, Love Lily. Now you have two pieces. What you want to do is take a stack of your favorite photos, and as you can see here, I already used a hole punch to hole punch all of my photos in the corner. Now I'm going to want to put these in between my two cards. Then we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to actually put it through all of the holes and tie a pretty bow. And just like that, you have a simple, customized gift that you can give to your family members. They can flip through and see all of the wonderful memories we had with Lily this year. Stay tuned for more easy gifts that you can personalize using the Brother P-touch Embellish.